Hi there, what's up guys? In this video I'm gonna show you how to attach your USB flash drive to a Linux virtual machine running on a Linux host. So first of all, I'm gonna go and plug in my USB. As you can see, it's shown in the host machine, but it is nowhere to be found in the virtual machine. I can use this command to check it, and you can see that I have only my serial disk A, which is my hard drive, and not my USB drive. So how do you fix it? Well, you need to do some pre-configuration in your Linux system. Go to your terminal in the host machine, and you can see that I have the serial disk B, which is my USB drive, in the host machine. So to add it, first check the groups for a group called VirtualBox users with this command. So as you can see, the VirtualBox users group doesn't have any users in the list. So to add myself to the users, obviously I should add myself to the group so that I can access the USB from my virtual machine. Use the command sudo usermod g, which is the group, and specify the group VirtualBox users, and you need to add my username, that is me, to the group. So to add myself, use the command we should append my name to the VirtualBox users group. To append, use the A flag and type in my username. All the commands I'm using are given in the description, so you can copy and paste or do whatever you can to make it work. And now I'm good to go. Enter your sudo password, and now you should be there. So to check it, I use the previous command, and you can see that my username is added to the group VirtualBox users. And finally, you should go for a reboot. Now that you have restarted, go to the settings of your virtual machine, go to USB, enable USB controller, and enable the USB 3.0 controller. You get a pop-up message showing an error that you need to install the extension pack. So to install the extension pack, you need to go to the website, VirtualBox official website of course, and in the website go to downloads and scroll down to see the VirtualBox extension pack for all supported platforms, and download it and open with VirtualBox. So once the download is complete, open it, read through the agreements, and click I agree if you agree that, and go for your admin password and authenticate. So the extension pack should be installing, and once it is installed, now you are good to go, as we say. If you check for that, well, I have no errors, so that's working fine. Start your virtual machine, and once it boots up, wait for the boot up process. Baby, where are you? Oh, there you are. Log into your user. Well, you'll be doing that anyway. Oof. Yeah. Now the fun stuff. I need to plug in my... Can I see my USB drive? Where is it, baby? Come on, show up. Devices, USB. I don't see that. Oh, what is the problem? Not here either. Okay, well, well, I should check it in the terminal, and I don't have it there too. So yeah, I need to unplug and plug it again, so I can see it in the host machine but not in the virtual machine. So I need to go to USB and enable it. Once it is done, yeah, voila, now I have access to my USB in my virtual machine running on a Linux host machine. With this command I can see the serial disk B, which is my flash drive, in my virtual machine. That is pretty much it, guys. This is a simple way to access your USB. I don't know. So thank you for watching. See you next time.